16th. Bro's birthday is in a couple hours. Shout out to Jason. And Matan too. Yo, what the hell? I did not lie. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way, boy. Well, I did not realize. Let's get it. So I guess you up to five. Because you're gonna switch on me, right? Just pick one or two, right? You wanna play, buddy? Yo, can you come over here and have me say what's up to the camera? Right? Say subscribe to the YouTube. Come here. I'm in the frame. Say you gotta say subscribe.
Subscribe to this guy's YouTube.
Oh, you're awesome.
What?
What the hell? Yo, can you post us on your Facebook at least? I know you have a Facebook.
I know.
I know you have Instagram.
No. You're not 30.
Oh my god, dude. Wait, tell me this. Yo, you I have a hidden camera right there. Wow, how is the PlayStation 2 hot? Oh, I think it's by the heater. Yo, snitch on us, bro. Snitch on us. One time, man. Just say there's kids playing video games. That's all you gotta say. Yeah, on their TV. You're awesome. Oh my god,
Excuse me? There's a guy like playing on one of the TVs. I don't know if that's allowed. And like he's just playing games.
Playing games on it?
Yeah. And he hasn't purchased it. I don't know if that's
I'll get someone over there.
okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you playing PS5?
You wanna play with us? Not much.
Can't actually have you setting all this up, so you know.
Bro?
Yeah.
Well, you wanna play me?
No, I would love to play you actually,
Bro.
but
Yeah, you being cool about it. I got you. Let me score at least up to 5. Can I do that?
I'll let you finish your game, bro.
Alright, bet.
What's up with these employees? They're bots.
They're NPCs. She said I'm a...
Oh my god.
At least we got that part. Let's get out of here.